Hi, financial correspondent Jen Rezac here today with Calvin Getz. He is the founder of Strategy Financial Group. Now, you probably have a 401k that you've been contributing to, but what do you do with it once you retire? Calvin, can you walk us through some of the options?
Sure. There's lots of options you have, Jen, for your 401k. So when you leave your job, you typically clean out your desk and, take your pictures down, and you typically roll that money over from your employer plan over to an individual retirement account or IRA. Now, not everybody has to do that. Some employer plans will require that you move it in a period of time. Some will let you leave it in the plan. But when you roll that money over, you typically have more investment options. You can invest in individual stocks and ETFs, things that may not have been available on the pick list of mutual funds for your current 401k. It's also a good idea for people to consider partial Roth conversions on that over time, so that by the time they hit required minimum distribution age in their 70s, they've minimized the amount of money that is subject to that withdrawal. So those are important considerations to make, and there's others with your 401k.
Right, a lot of different options to sift through. You and your team put together some resources that can help us learn more. That's
right. Our team has put together this retirement kit to make sure you know all the options you have with your 401k upon retirement. Even if you're 59 and a half or older and still working, you may be eligible for an in-service rollover. So whether you're nearing retirement, you've just retired, or you've been retired a long time, the tools in this kit will share with you all of the different 401k rollover options available to you. You can call, text, or go online to get Calvin's free retirement roadmap kit today. Calvin, thanks for joining me. Thank you, Jen. And thank you for watching this week's Retirement Report.